What is up, YouTube? Bruh. What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. And today, I listed the plow on Facebook Marketplace. Plow mount, hydraulics, pump, all that stuff, all included. So, yep. Hopefully, people do click on the Facebook Marketplace ad. But yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know I listed it. But also, today, oh, there's an ice cube. I forgot to unlock it, and it's literally like negative temps. Here, let me show you guys what the temperature is out here. It is literally freezing. I needed to get a video out and filmed. Look at that. Look at that. It was freezing, let me tell you. Fuse thing video coming soon. I still need to order fuses. I literally just haven't got around to it. Been busy, but once we order fuses, get the dash lights in, all this will be putting back together and stuff. Back seat's a little messy. I mean, it's pretty clean in the interior for the most part. I did want to get that video done today, but I don't know, dude. I think we're supposed to have some warmer days. We got 40 degrees out there, 44 right there. Yeah, next Tuesday for sure. I'll be filming some videos, and yeah. But maybe today we can tackle that you know, little mirror thing. But yeah, let's do a cold start. Okay, so I'm about to shut off the truck now, but and I'm gonna continue to work in here, but I'm gonna try to undo this and make it so maybe it's bent. I didn't think of that. Maybe it is bent, but I'm gonna make it so it doesn't sag. See that? See how it sags? That one's fine. This one's fine, I think. Yeah. But look, it sags a decent amount, and I want to fix it. So we're gonna fix it in today's video. So, and eventually, when it's 40 degrees next week, or possibly in like spring break, maybe March, probably in March, I'll do like an interior detail, make sure it's all clean. Like this is just dirty, dusty. Yeah, it's dusty. So I need to clean all this off. So that'll be in another video. But let's get to trying to fix this in today's video. Well, today's video did not go as successful, as you can see. Yeah, I legit can't get it to stay. That one's perfectly fine. This one isn't. I mean, it was already like this before. So, I'm just gonna leave it, I guess, and see if I can get something, or try to find something to fix it. It is freezing, and I'm cold, tired, about ready to go home, but all that snow in there. It was just a quick video for you guys. I hope you did enjoy. If you didn't, I don't know, like the video. Yeah, that was it. I mean, I guess title of the video we could be like selling the plow, I guess. So, yeah, I don't know. Yeah, this is how she sits. This is how she sits for now. There we go. We got some license plate covers. You can see those are the old ones, but I got some new ones. Eventually, one day I'll get them put on, but it's just been cold lately. Hard to film videos, hard to find things to do to the truck when it's really cold out, because I don't want to break any plastic things inside the interior, etc. So, I mean, yeah. For now, we live with our latest mod. Our latest mod being this bullet antenna. Pretty cool. But yeah, I'm gonna head home soon. So hope you guys did enjoy, and yeah, look for more videos soon, hopefully. All right, have a great rest of your day. Thank you for watching Fish Warrior YT in Clifford, my 1988 Ford Ranger.